Let's face it, AI-generated cover songs are all the rage. Now, here's the deal. There are various ways to create these AI cover songs. Some methods can be expensive while others are time-consuming and require installation of software. Some of the popular free tools like Google Colab. They are now having issues with free tier. You have to use paid tier or download and use it locally. So let's look for other alternative tool with a straightforward technique, which is 100% free with no installation of software. The tools we are going to use is called AI CoverGen, which is free tool. I going to guide step by step, you will it find easy. I have put the link in my description, so let's start the process. First step, click the link in my description. After clicking it brings you to AI CoverGen dashboard. Before we continue we have to create any account to get space to work. If you proceed without creating an account all process are going very slowly. So let's move forward. Click community icon to create account on Hugging Face. If you don't click on sign up. Second step, put your email and password. Click next. You will have to complete your profile and after click on create account, so verify your email. Third step, go back to AI CoverGen dashboard then click on duplicate this space. You can see that they give you free 2 vCPU and 16 GB. Again click on duplicate space. After clicking it will start building. Wait until it finishes. You can see that process is still building. Wait it once it finishes it will shows running on background. Step 5. Now we are going to choose voice model to use for our song. We will be using AI Hub Discord to find free voice models. It has over with 20,000 voice models. Check the link to AI Hub Discord in my description. Click on link and create account if you don't have it. Step 7. Once you are on Discord dashboard, move down and click on voice models. Search the voice models you want. For this video I'm going to use Harry style voice models. Type that and then search. Choose one you want. You have to test voice by listening to know which one will work best for you. After clicking the voice models, move up to get the link. Don't choose copy message link, it brings you the wrong link. So choose copy text or manual copy it. After that go back to AI CoverGen, click on download model and paste the link to the download link to model tab, so make sure it ends with .zip. After go to name your model and write the name of model and click download. For me it is already downloaded, that is why it is showing error message. Go back to generate and click on refresh models. After the name of voice models will appear on box, then select it. Step 8. Go to song input. You can put the YouTube link of the songs you want to cover or upload from your storage. I already have the song on my storage, so I'm going to click upload and wait it to finish uploading. Usually it takes 20 seconds. Let's look on setting. So, after that on pitch change, generally you use 1 for male to female conversions and 1 for vice versa. That one is for vocal only. For overall pitch change it is for both vocals and instrumentals. So if you want to increase the change in instrument and vocals, you will to increase. Other setting here we have voice conversion setting. You keep the setting as it is or change like index rate, which is rate of how much of the AI voice's accent to keep in the vocals. So you can change this setting more often in order to get better result. Let's jump on audio output format. You can choose between MP3 or WAV format to export. Lastly, click on generate button, wait the process. It may take 3 to 5 minutes for 4-minute audio. If you are not satisfied by result, you can reset the settings for better result. Thanks for watching. If you have question, feel free to drop it on comment. Subscribe and like. See you in next video.